So why take hydrogen therapy? There are several ways hydrogen can be used. Drinking hydrogen-rich water daily, hydrogen inhalation therapy using special generators, hydrogen baths with jacuzzis which have hydrogen dissolved in the bathing water can be absorbed through the skin, hydrogen saline in research settings. Among these, the simplest method is drinking hydrogen water regularly. So to conclude, remember, tiny molecules like hydrogen may have big benefits for your body, brain cells and the eye cells. For conditions involving oxidative stress, hydrogen recovery, this hydrogen therapy is an exciting area of research. As always, it should be used as a part of integrated health approach along with nutrition, lifestyle and proper medical care. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.